Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rohit Gupta, Assistant Professor in the Department of Organon of Medicine, Homeopathy Medical College. Today's topic is constitutional remedy should not be prescribed in these three types of cases which can lead to the death of the patient. And Dr. Hahnemann had written about it in the Organon of Medicine. It's clinically verified and practically I saw it in many cases that we should not prescribe constitutional remedy in these three types of cases. But before knowing about these three conditions or types of cases, let's understand it first to know the reason behind it. Constitutional remedy is a deep acting remedy. It requires a full case taking for selection of the constitutional remedy. So it takes more time, the number one reason, and number two reason, it works on the deeper level. That's why it's called deep acting remedy. So it cannot be prescribed in those cases where either the case has very less time or no time, or any gross pathological or structural changes can lead to the threaten of life of the patient. Now we have got two reasons behind it, and the time has come to know what these three types of cases. Number one, acute cases. Acute cases has its own case taking format in a very small type, a very small format. I already made a video on acute case taking format. You can watch it after completing this video. You can go to the playlist of Organon of Medicine and you will get it and watch it. The number two, the terminal stage of the chronic cases like cases of organ failures, etc. In those type of cases, the prescription required, the remedy required of palliative in type. And the third type of case is accidental cases of injury, trauma or burns. So these are those cases where most of the homeopathic physicians are failed to prescribe or failed to get result by remedy because they are taking a wrong approach of either case taking or either selection of the remedy. And for this reason you have to know the right and the original method of homeopathy which have been guided in this Organon of Medicine 5th and 6th edition in the original format by Samuel Hahnemann. It's not a book of philosophy. It's a textbook of the homeopathic methodology because the all guidelines related to the homeopathic practice and homeopathic research are written in this book after observation of drug proving by Dr. Hahnemann himself. And Dr. Hahnemann never used a single word philosophy for this book from first to last page anywhere in this book. So it always misinterpreted that Organon of Medicine is a philosophy. Unfortunately, this wrong interpretation and wrong explanation and teaching of the Organon of Medicine is the main cause of the failure of homeopathic prescription and homeopathic physician because they are teaching wrong. It's their fault, it's not the fault of homeopathy. So don't blame homeopathy for the fault of other people. And if you want to know that your teacher is teaching you right or not by the following the methodology of Organon of Medicine of Dr. Hahnemann, just you have to go to their OPT and observe that is he or she a clinical teacher or a only theoretical teacher. First thing, you will see it in their number of patient results and their follow-up in the OPD of hospital of your homeopathic college. And number two, if they are following the same thing what they are teaching you in the classroom, then they are a good teacher. They are following the original methodology as written in the Organon of Medicine. If they are not following those things which are guided by Dr. Hahnemannian Organon of Medicine, then your future in the wrong hand. And this is the only single formula to know that your teacher is right or wrong. Either you are studying in the government college or private college, whatever the subject. This is the only single formula to know.
Subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon button.